Today, almost everyone uses their smartphones and watches for, well, pretty much everything. If you are a mobile MT4 user, you may find that it is not as flexible and functional for making trading decisions as your MT4 desktop. It is, however, excellent for notifications, modifying, and monitoring your positions. Traditionally, MT4 users had sent alerts and notifications to themselves by email. This method still exists, but it is not as reliable and speedy as the smartphone method and sometimes proves more difficult to set up than the smartphone method. Let's start by going to Tools, Options, and open the tab Notifications. Notifications is purely for your smartphone and is formatted for both iPhones and Android. Tick Enable Push Notifications and Notify of Trade Transactions. If you haven't installed MT4 on your smartphone, you may click here to take yourself to iTunes and click here to take yourself to Google Play. It is easier, of course, to use your phone to download the app directly. Simply search for MT4 and download as you would normally do any app. Make sure you allow the MT4 app to send notifications. It should now open under New Account. Tick Log in to an existing account. Okay, now you need to search for your broker's MT4 server. You may find this on your MT4 desktop platform on the top left corner. Once you've found it, type in your account number and password. If you are successful, you will see activity in the way of price changes on your screen. Select Settings and tap Chat and Messages. At the bottom of the screen, you will note your My MetaQuotes ID. Return to your MT4 desktop and enter the number. If you have more than one mobile device, you may enter more than one ID by using a comma and a space. Click Test, and all going well, you will receive a test message like this on your phone. Let's try one. Open your MT4 order in the usual way, on a demo account of course, and execute as normally. Instantly, the order confirmation is displayed on your smartphone with the sound notification as well if you have that activated. Now, we manage the trade by moving the stop loss on our MT4 desktop. The news is instantly sent to our smartphone. The same thing happens with our take profit. Now, anything that happens with this trade or any new trades will be immediately displayed and announced on your smartphone. Let's say you wanted to get an alert when an asset reaches a certain price. In your MT4 terminal, click on Alerts. In the Alerts area, right-click and select Create. Your alert editor pops up. Tick Enable and ensure that Notifications is selected. Now use the symbol drop-down to select your chosen asset. Use the condition to select the event that will trigger the alert. Less than the bid price, greater than the bid price, less than the ask price, and greater than the ask price, which we select. Remember, there are two prices, bid and ask, and their distance apart depends on the spread. The ask price is higher, so we want an alert above, so we select greater than the ask price. If you get it wrong, don't worry. Your alert will trigger instantly and you will know you have made a mistake. So, we enter a price and the alert arrow appears on the chart. These arrows can also be moved on the chart should you wish to adjust the level later. When the desired price is reached, an alert is sent to your smartphone letting you know of a potential opportunity. As with all the above, if your smartphone is in standby mode, these notifications will be sent to a smartwatch as long as the apps are paired. The final option is Email. Simply return to your Tools, Options, and then select the tab Email and enter the required fields. Tick Enable, and you will need the following information from your email provider: SMTP server name, SMTP login, SMTP password, and your desired email addresses. Click Test to ensure that all is functioning, and you should receive a message like this. Also, the Journal tab in your terminal will keep a record of all your notifications and alerts. In this lesson, we covered setting up MT4 on your smartphone, sending trade information to your smartphone, setting up price alerts, sending notifications and alerts via email. In the next lesson, we will be looking at custom indicators.